You're gonna wanna watch this video because this app is for gamers. I'm gonna show you how to use this application here so you can play games without interruptions. So make sure to watch full video, stay tuned. You can see here this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So very easy to use. So over here, you pretty much have some basic settings. You have the home option, you have the day and night mode. You can pretty much enable the night feature here. You have some summary, nothing much for that. There's some feature you can see. So down here, you may see a plus icon. You can pretty much tap on it, and it will pretty much let you add your games. You just all you gotta do is just scroll and look for your games and add it. So once your game is added, you're pretty much good to go. So you're going to tap on the settings icon at the top here, and this will pretty much show you all the features which you can enable. So when you're playing a game, you have no interruptions. So you have the disable auto brightness here, which is pretty annoying. Also, you can change ringtone and so forth. You can automatically reject any calls. While you're playing game, you might get a call and you don't want any interruptions. And you can block WhatsApp calls, block all notifications, also block internet connection from applications. So very good application, I'm not gonna lie. So you can just tap on the should I say block internet access, select the application. Let's say I don't want Chrome to have an internet or internet access, or should I say WhatsApp. Then you just find WhatsApp, enable the feature, and then enable this where it says block internet access, and you should be good to go. So WhatsApp won't be getting any internet, no messages won't be coming to your phone that you know of, or calls, nothing at all. So you would be great. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And once you tap on the crown icon, you can see their subscription prices and what to be getting and so forth. But they give you a 3 days free trial, so you can test out their premium subscription. Only thing you're getting is settings auto apply and no ads. But I don't encounter any ads while using this application, but you can always get the no ads feature because most applications do have ads. So 3 days free trial and then $14 or $15 a week. Well, that's pretty much it for that there. And as you can see here, that's it. Very, very simple app to use. If I miss anything at all, please comment below. So I'd love to thank you guys, and without us guys, you should subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. Let's see you guys in the next one.